if you have the problem that your AC stinks, I'm gonna give you this tip that you will find super helpful. We're gonna need this little guy right here and this thing. We're gonna open this to have access to the cabin air filter. It has a little bit of debris. If your filter is super dirty, you need to replace it, but this one is in very good shape. So what I'm gonna do is this. Grab your air freshener, cut it, put a little piece right here, and then all depends on how strong you want it. I don't want it super strong, so I'm just gonna put 3 pieces. I'm gonna put this right there. Perfect. Then I'm gonna put it back. Perfect. Now it's time to test it. Let's turn it on. AC's on. Wow. That smells delicious. Oh, and one more thing. If you have a 2012 Honda Civic like this one, perfect, just follow my video. But this will work for any car that you have. Just find your AC filter, put a little piece of air freshener, and perfect, you're good to go.